this nigga say for safety reasons.
Damn, dog. Off me. Fuck.
What's good, Thug?
What up with you, man?
What you on?
Shit, right now I'm chilling. I done had a good ass day, bro.
Boy, I'm alright, you
Yeah, yeah.
on
I just got me a badass dark skin, so you know I'm talking tattoos, a grill.
Well, you say you got a dark skin?
A dark skin.
See?
I'm so for real, say.
Something on?
Hmm?
Hey, my girl might be on here. Let me chill. My ass.
Yeah.
I'm not even on it. On hood. I'm chilling.
Yeah, no.
Chilling.
Shit. That man was
Chill
tripping.
later.
I'm from Alabama, son. Shit, I'm from Alabama. That man was tripping. I know Tennessee, son. I live super close to Tennessee. That man was wrong. That's not how that works.
Yeah, that's not at all. I don't think that works like that anywhere.
It's not. I live 30 minutes from Tennessee. I'm always up there. That's not how that works.
Yeah, nigga, we not that far either on hood.
And then in Tennessee, GDs and Crips, they don't really fuck with each other like that.
Like,
Yeah, no, they're not even close to each other. Like, they'll have a Crip neighborhood, and then you'll have 2 cities over where your closest GD would be.
hood.
That's how
You
that shit is.
you see a crip hood by blood hood wave.
Oh,
Wait
God.
for it,
I'm
nigga.
from, like, I live in Birmingham. Yeah, like, I live super close to 3rd Avenue. You go, shit, I gotta stay on 3rd Avenue because I'm fucking white and the Bloods hate me. So, I'm not going over there. Shit. And they got this apartment. Like, and those are closer than the GD and Crip sets. Yeah, this shit, they separated by a street.
Ain't Birmingham, ain't that close to where OMBPZ?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. On hood.
Yeah, I'm from Birmingham. Damn, dog always looking on me. Call
How
me, dog. I'm 16.
decent?
Yeah.
What's up? What's up, boo? This one,
Shit. I mean, I bang some local shit, though. Like, I don't bang Crip or nothing like that. It's like not connected.
I fuck
Hmm?
with you. You just be doing your shit, getting
I
to
just
the
be
money.
doing my shit. It's like, I don't really be caring what no people say. Like, I don't really fuck with, like, I don't really care about what people banging nothing. Like, shit, like, if you good to me, I'm gonna be good to you type shit. Like,
Hey, I fucked it on hood. Hey, see, this is a good example of a real nigga. This right.
shit. Like, I know, I just said my cousin, he just got locked up. So right now, like, I'm at the top of my shit. Which is weird, cause like like everybody in it older than me, and I don't trust none of them bitch ass motherfuckers. All of them force, like I can't stand them motherfuckers. They be like, man, he forfeit, he bitching, bro. Like, why you think the little ass kid do something when I be on my shit more than them? Like,
Bro, niggas hate. That's all that shit is, bro.
oh God, it is.
Don't
They
do
be like, man, he don't even got a strap, cause like cops they ran through my shit, and I had a 44 Smith and Wesson. They took my shit.
girl.
Yeah, I had a red beam on that bitch. Yeah, 44. I had a red beam on that bitch. It was nice. So they be like, and shit, they call me Slim because I'm like 6'4", and I'm
Yeah.
skinny as hell. So they call me Slim. And I carry a knife on me, like a big ass knife. Like I got that bitch right next to me. Shit, I carry this big ass knife.
Oh, good. I got one just like.
It's my favorite motherfucking knife. Like I got a ton of them. And shit, I carry this bitch every day. And shit,
Boy,
they be
oh,
tripping.
good. Man, I'm
I know.
already know. Been there. We been there with 12 shit.
Yeah.
It's right. Hey, taking 3 of those bitches. Did it.
Shit, I remember when I first got jumped in, they ain't trust me nothing. They got their biggest motherfuckers. Like I'm like, shit, I'm 6'4", 135 right now. So I had to be like 5'11", maybe 80 pounds. They got the
Yeah.
biggest motherfuckers beating my ass. I'm getting my shit beat. Yeah, no. Damn, my shit fall. And my bit blowing on my phone. Shit. You know what I'm saying? Cause like my shit, like we wear Hoover color, like we wear black and orange. And like shit, they ain't no Hoover sets near me. So it's weird, cause like I got an orange flag and I got a black flag. And
Yeah.
people be like, bro, why you false claiming Hoover? I'm like, I don't know no Hoover shit. I just know Hoover criminal, wear orange, shit. Like, they be like, bro, stop false claiming. Like, I don't be on no Hoover shit. What are you talking about? And they be tripping on me.
On hood. As long as it's your own shit on hood. Even if it's not your shit. As long as it's like, ain't no like, crib, GD, BD, some shit that's already been organized, some shit.
Yeah.
Straight on hood.
Like I'm related to Crips, cause like my mama, she married a black dude. After that,
Yeah.
like that's like family, right? Cause like you can't be no white Crip. Like I hate when people be like that. But like you could be white blood, white GD or nothing, but you cannot be a white Crip. And like I try to explain that to motherfuckers, bro. And they tripping. Like I go to school, like it's like mixed, right? There's like they're like the ghetto kids that's mixed, like white, Hispanic, black. It don't matter. And then there's the preppy white kids. And then I walk on, they be like trying to throw gang signs and shit. That shit made me so mad. Ugly bitch.
Yeah.
Fool, they be damn most white folks. I'm gonna be real with you. Yes, I'm finna have to go FaceTime the story though. Keep tripping on me. You said what fool?
Hey, I'm about to get off this.
Yeah.
Text my girl.
I feel you, fool.
She say, hey, see y'all niggas. She say we're back on game.
I got these drugs in my system and I'm still trying to take the pain away. Pain for me, I don't need nobody trying to change my ways. Stuck in this phase, I'm dying slowly trying to count my days. If I don't change, that's my fault. The time I died, it ain't arresting me, a felony. All my nigga rest in peace, remember me.